Welcome back to our travel guide series. In this video, we will be talking about Mexico. Mexico is a vibrant and diverse nation renowned for its enviable natural beauty, historic ruins, and rich culture. One can fly into a large airport like Mexico City International Airport, Cancun International Airport, or Los Cabos International Airport to travel to Mexico. Mexico offers a wide variety of sites and activities. Several well-liked vacation spots are: Mexican capital. Mexico City, the nation's capital and one of the biggest cities in the world, is a thriving city with a deep cultural heritage. Visitors can explore museums like the National Museum of Anthropology as well as historic sites like the Templo Mayor and the Teotihuacan Pyramids. Cancun is a well-liked beach resort town with pristine white sand beaches and clear waters. Swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving are all excellent there. Tulum is a well-preserved Mayan city with stunning beaches that is situated on the Caribbean coast. Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen is a coastal city in the Caribbean noted for its exciting nightlife and stunning beaches. Cozumel. A Caribbean island known for having the second largest coral reef system in the world. Cozumel is a well-liked location for snorkeling and scuba diving. San Miguel de Allende is a historic city in the central Mexican highlands that is renowned for both its preserved architecture and its thriving cultural life. Puerto Vallarta. A Pacific coast city, Puerto Vallarta is renowned for its stunning beaches and exciting nightlife. The Sierra Madre Occidental mountain range is home to a huge network of valleys known as the Copper Canyon, which offers stunning vistas and chances for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. Millions of monarch butterflies that travel from Canada to Mexico each year reside in the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve, a protected region in the Mexican state of Michoacán. The Palenque is a well-preserved Mayan metropolis with stunning jungle surroundings that is situated in the state of Chiapas. The Sumidero Canyon is a large canyon in the Mexican state of Chiapas. It is accessible by boat and provides hiking and wildlife viewing opportunities. The state of Oaxaca, which is in southern Mexico, is renowned for its thriving culture, age-old crafts, and delectable cuisine. The city of Oaxaca, renowned for its intact colonial architecture and thriving cultural scene, is open to tourists. The Xochimilco area in Mexico City is well known for its canals and vibrant trajineras, or boats, where tourists may take a boat trip and savor traditional Mexican food and music. The Yucatan Peninsula is home to a number of natural swimming holes known as cenotes, which provide visitors the option to swim and dive in the stunning underground caverns. The Zocalo in Mexico City, also known as the Plaza de la Constitución, is the city's main square and one of the largest public squares in the world. It is bordered by numerous significant structures, including the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace. The capital of the state of Jalisco and the second largest city in Mexico is Guadalajara. It is renowned for its delectable cuisine, traditional crafts, and, notably, tequila. Visitors can take a trip to Tequila, the city that gives the well-known beverage its name, and explore the historic center and the Degollado Theater. Mexico has a wide variety of cuisine to choose from, including both traditional Mexican cuisines and international selections. Several well-known regional specialties include using a corn or flour tortilla and a variety of ingredients, including beef, chicken, or seafood. Tacos are a classic Mexican cuisine. Enchiladas, a classic Mexican dish made with a maize tortilla, meat, cheese, or veggies, and a hot sauce on top. Tamales, a typical Mexican delicacy made with maize dough, meat, cheese, or vegetables, then steamed. Hominy, beef, and several spices are used to make the classic Mexican dish known as pozole. Avocados, tomatoes, onions, and lime juice are used to make the classic Mexican dip known as guacamole. In conclusion, Mexico is a vibrant and diversified nation that provides a variety of attractions, including lively towns, stunning beaches, and historic ruins and natural wonders. The stunning beaches of Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and Cozumel, the colonial city of San Miguel de Allende, the coastal city of Puerto Vallarta, the Copper Canyon, the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve, Sumidero Canyon, Oaxaca, Xochimilco, the cenotes, the Zocalo, and Guadalajara are all worth exploring for tourists. Mexico City, which is known for its rich history and culture. Mexico has a wide variety of cuisine to choose from, including both traditional Mexican cuisines and international selections. Tacos, enchiladas, tamales, pozole, and guacamole are some of the well-known regional delicacies. Mexico is the ideal travel destination for individuals seeking a special trip because there is so much to see and do there, as well as wonderful food and a lively nightlife. Mexico has something for everyone, regardless of your interests in history, culture, or simply enjoying nature. Mexico is a place that shouldn't be missed because of its fascinating history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking scenery. Thanks for watching. Explore the world, wander far and wide, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Yours truly, The Wanderer's Odyssey.